What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a gorgeous set of markers to give the artist in your life, this is a great place to start. I have been using the ARTISTRO markers for quite a while now, and I absolutely love them. This is a package of 24 dual tip markers. Now, dual tip means they have a marker tip at one end and then they have them at the other. The colors on here are so beautiful. They have all kinds of different color combinations, and this will work on rock, ceramic, metal, wood, fabric, glass, stone, paper, and so many other surfaces. Now I'm just going to dump these out so you can see them, but take a look at that color variety right there. 24 beautiful markers. Let's do some close-up work with these gorgeous markers. Now here's a pro tip. When you are storing them, make sure you store them horizontal so that the pen tips don't dry out on one side or another. Storing them flat allows the paint in the middle to stay well distributed. Now there's 2 points on these. This one here is a fine tip, and it will allow you to create these beautiful sweeping straight lines like the ones I have right here. You can also do tiny little pinpoint dots. This end here is your dot point, and you can go around and create these dot arts with the rounded tip on this marker, and I think that is really awesome. So these are premium quality acrylic pens. They have a paint that dries opaque, so you can actually use it on things like rocks or glass, and it's gonna have a nice thick quality to it when it dries. Pretty awesome, I'll tell you. You have a wide variety of colors and intensities where you can get bright blues, vibrant pinks, soft pastel colors as well. There is really no limit to what you can create. And in addition to these gorgeous, brilliant colors, they also give you metallics. So you get like a silver to go through and do accents, and it is actually shimmery silver. These are pre-activated as well. What that means is these markers have a cotton tip, which allows them to hold the ink right in there, so there's no hard pressing to get it to work. This is a gorgeous variety of colors, and the artwork that you can create with them is stunning. If you are looking for a really nice set of markers to give your budding artist or to explore your own artistic side, these dual tip acrylic markers from ARTISTRO that you can use on rock, wood, paper, glass, and so many more surfaces is definitely a family favorite at my house.